Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority Henne Gasngi ka Arpaprat Regular Kalaple Yak Jelang Ajikai Kablatep Kum ka Induction Course Training Programs for the Paralegal Volunteers of East Khasi Hills. But Yakani Jing Ajikai La Pulong Hapo Shillong Law College Kabahadhan Kati Shillong. Hakani ka jelang play yakni ka program ajikai ka banne sausngi kata ka ban kod hadu ka lai poi trek mentahi ubnai laidon langru ki muktiar ki bala khampau konthok Yo Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Justice Dinesh Maheshwari Justice Ved Prakash Ves but Justice Sudip Ranjan Sen ki badai ki nong bisa jong ka Meghalaya High Court nang ta ki khna pule ka Shillong Law College lambat kiwe
having a heart or having a feel or having compassion may not suffice. You need to be equipped with certain basics, and it is where these kind of training programs acquire relevance. Well, we start with the proposition that when you are a paralegal volunteer, well, you are a person who cares about the society. The idea here is to build up your capacities with a basic reference to the basic principles, the fundamental principles of those the fundamentals of the legal principles, which would be of immense utility when you will be working as a paralegal volunteer.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.